So anyway, I saw a short clip on the internet of a chainsaw chop saw. So I built my own version. This is the first time I'm doing it. Came out pretty good. I'm sure you could do it many different ways, but I'll show you what I did. There should be already a hole in your chainsaw right about there. So I put that bolt through there. This is just a box, but I have it screwed to the table. And this box serves as your fence as well. Right, so there's your fence. You can make a long fence, a higher fence. And then I screwed another nail right there so I could hold it up like this and just let the saw hang down there like that. An electric chainsaw, obviously, you can see that. But that's all it is. Get yourself a table, brace, something here to attach your chainsaw, make a solid fence, and now you can cut 6x6s, 8x8s. Get a super long chainsaw if you want to cut bigger pieces than that. Make sure you get the blade below the surface of your table. See that? Get your blade away from this and away from your table. I've got like 7 washers in there. For the last couple months I've been thinking about how to make a chainsaw chop saw, and one other way I was thinking about was making one with a big torsion spring. So get an oversized torsion spring if they make them, and attach it to the bottom of the chainsaw, and then attach it to a bench. It's another way you can make a chainsaw chop saw. Okay, peace. Don't cut your hands off.